Jungle.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Made Easy Hub. If this is your first time here, my name is Jack.
And I'm Anna. We're really glad you're with us today. Wherever you're listening from, thank you for pressing play.
Yeah, seriously, we know learning English isn't always easy, so the fact that you're here already says a lot.
It does. And today's episode is for people who feel stuck.
Stuck even though they've studied English for years.
Stuck even though they understand movies, videos, and conversations.
But when it's time to speak, things don't come out smoothly.
If you've ever thought, I know English, but I can't speak it properly, this episode is for you.
Exactly. Today, we're talking honestly about spoken fluency, what it actually is, why it feels difficult, and what really helps.
Not theory, not grammar rules.
Just real talk.
Before we begin, quick reminder, if you enjoy practical English conversations like this, subscribe to English Made Easy Hub. We focus on real spoken English, not textbook English.
All right, Anna, let's start with the biggest confusion. What does fluency really mean?
Most learners think fluency means speaking fast.
Yeah, they believe speed equals fluency.
But that idea causes more damage than good.
Speaking fast without control makes your English messy.
Your pronunciation suffers,
Your sentences break.
and you feel more nervous, not more confident.
Fluency is not speed.
Fluency is comfort.
A fluent speaker feels comfortable while speaking.
They're not fighting their thoughts.
They're not scared of pauses.
They don't panic when they make a mistake.
They keep going.
That's the key point, they keep going.
Think of fluency like walking.
You don't stop walking every time you step slightly wrong.
You adjust and continue.
Mistakes in English are the same.
But many learners were taught the opposite.
They were taught that mistakes are dangerous.
That grammar must be perfect before speaking,
That mindset destroys fluency.
because perfection never arrives.
There is always another rule,
Another exception.
another thing to fix.
Native speakers don't wait for perfection.
They speak first,
They adjust later or not at all.
and that's why they sound fluent.
Another major reason people struggle is fear.
Fear of sounding stupid.
Fear of being judged.
Fear of making mistakes in front of others.
Fear tightens your body.
It blocks your thinking.
And when your body is tense, your voice becomes tense too.
You speak less.
You hesitate more.
You overthink every word.
Fluency disappears.
So before techniques, before tips, the first thing you need is permission.
Permission to speak imperfectly,
Permission to sound not perfect.
because that's how fluency actually begins.
Now, let's talk about something very practical.
Something simple that instantly improves spoken English.
Contractions.
This is huge.
And many learners underestimate it.
Contractions are short forms of words.
I am becomes I'm.
You are becomes your.
They are becomes their.
It is becomes its.
Textbooks love full forms.
Real people don't.
Listen carefully.
I am going to the office because it is very busy today.
Now listen again.
I'm going to the office because it's very busy today.
The second sentence sounds natural.
The first sounds formal and stiff.
When learners avoid contractions, they sound like they're reading.
not speaking.
And spoken English should never sound like reading.
Negative contractions are even more important.
Do not becomes don't.
Cannot becomes can't.
Will not becomes won't.
I do not understand sounds serious.
I don't understand sounds normal.
If you want to sound fluent, contractions must become automatic,
Not something you think about.
something you feel.
Now let's talk about sentence flow.
Because fluency is not just words.
It's how words connect.
Beginners often speak in short pieces.
I woke up, I was tired, I went to work.
Nothing is wrong grammatically.
But it doesn't sound fluent.
A fluent speaker connects ideas.
I woke up, but I was tired, so I went to work anyway.
Small words do big work,
And
but
because
these words turn broken speech into smooth conversation,
they allow your thoughts to breathe.
and they reduce pressure.
Because you're not starting over every sentence,
You're continuing.
which is exactly what fluency is.
Another thing people don't realize is how much thinking in their native language slows them down.
Yes, this is a silent fluency killer.
You think in your language,
Translate in your head.
then speak in English,
That 3-step process is exhausting.
and impossible to do fast.
Fluent speakers don't translate.
They react,
They respond directly in English,
not perfectly.
but naturally.
A lot of learners say, how do I stop translating?
And the honest answer is you don't stop it instantly
You slowly reduce it.
by using fixed phrases.
Chunks.
Ready-made English.
For example,
Instead of building sentences word by word,
you use phrases like, to be honest.
as far as I know,
That makes sense.
I'm not sure about that.
These phrases are already complete.
No translation needed.
Your brain grabs them as a unit.
That's how native speakers talk.
They don't invent sentences from zero every time.
They reuse patterns,
Fluency is pattern recognition.
not vocabulary memorization.
And here's something learners won't like hearing.
But it's true.
You don't need advanced words to sound fluent.
You need basic words used well.
Listen to any natural conversation.
Most words are simple,
Go, get, make, think, feel, try.
not complicated academic vocabulary,
Yet learners chase big words.
because they think big words equal good English.
They don't,
They often slow you down.
and increase mistakes.
Fluency loves simplicity.
Another major issue is pronunciation fear.
People worry too much about accent
They want to sound American
or British,
or perfect.
but clarity matters more than accent.
If people understand you, your accent is fine.
Accent is identity.
Not a problem.
What is a problem is unclear pronunciation,
Swallowing sounds,
rushing sentences.
not stressing the right words.
English is a stress-timed language.
Some words are strong.
Some are weak.
I want to go to the store.
Strong words. Want, go, store.
Weak words. To, the.
When learners stress every word equally,
Speech sounds robotic.
listening improves when you understand stress.
Speaking improves when you copy it,
Not consciously,
but through exposure.
which brings us to listening,
You can't speak what you don't hear.
and many learners listen passively,
They play videos.
but they don't engage.
Active listening changes everything.
Repeat phrases.
Pause and copy intonation.
Shadow speakers,
Not once.
but regularly.
Fluency is muscle memory,
Your mouth needs training.
not just your brain.
That's why silent study doesn't work.
You must speak out loud,
Even alone.
especially alone. Let's also kill one big myth.
You do not need to speak all the time.
Listening well is part of fluency.
Reacting naturally is part of fluency.
Asking simple questions is part of fluency.
Communication is a two-way street.
You're not performing
You're connecting.
when you stop trying to impress,
Your English improves.
because pressure disappears.
And clarity comes in.
Now, let's be very honest.
Some days you won't feel motivated.
Some days English will feel heavy.
That's normal.
Don't wait for motivation.
Build routine.
Routine beats motivation every time.
5 minutes daily beats 0 with big plans.
Speak even when you don't feel like it.
Especially then.
That's where growth hides.
And remember,
English is not judging you.
people are usually kinder than you think.
And those who judge,
They don't matter.
your progress matters.
Your voice matters.
Your message matters.
English is just the tool.
Not the goal.
The goal is expression,
Connection.
confidence,
And that comes step by step.
not overnight.
If you take one thing from today,
Let it be this.
speak before you feel ready.
Messy English is better than silent perfection.
Always.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We truly appreciate it.
If this episode helped you,
Share it with someone learning English.
you might help more than you realize.
This is Jack
And Anna,
from English Made Easy Hub.
keep speaking
Keep learning.
and don't give up on your English.